Here we've got a converging lens. We've got an object out in front of the lens, and we're going to see where the image is formed by using our ray tracing. I've labeled that our focal length is 10 centimeters and our object length is 25 centimeters. Those numbers aren't terribly important for this particular video, but they'll be important in the next one where we actually use those numbers to numerically figure out where our image is going to be formed. On this one, though, of course, we're just going to use our rays. So here we go. We take our first ray, always goes in parallel to the optical axis, and then it's going to come out, because it's a converging lens, through that focal point. Our second ray with lenses is going to come from the point in question, and it's going to go through the middle of the lens, and it's actually not going to change direction whatsoever. Internally, these rays will change direction a little bit, but they'll change direction one way, they'll change exactly back the other way, so that they end up coming out of that lens exactly in the same direction they entered. Our third ray, well, we've actually got enough information at this point to be able to draw in an image, but it's nice to have a third ray just to verify that. Our third ray is going to come from the point in question, go through the first focal point, and then it's going to come out parallel to the optical axis. And so we've got a nice intersection point here with all three of our rays, and that's where our image is going to be formed. So we can go ahead and we can draw in our image. The base of the object is at the optical axis, and so the base of our image is also at the optical axis, which makes this thing look something like that. There is our image. Now we can see that our image has been reduced, it is inverted, and it looks like the image is located somewhere between the focal point and twice the focal length, which, if the focal length is about 10 centimeters, and that means that 2f is 20 centimeters, it looks like our image is going to be somewhere around maybe 16 or so centimeters. We'll verify that. We'll find out exactly where it is on the next video. But this is our ray tracing diagram for this particular situation.